In front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Begin by going into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen twice. Like that. When you see all of your shortcuts, look for location 1 and click on it. Mine is here, so when I click, it turns black. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same shortcut again. If you have a bit more time though, you can also go into Settings, scroll to click on Location section available here, and manage it thanks to this switcher next to Use Location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!